In this screencast, I will demonstrate how to link assurance arguments to standards or other published literature. Many argument fragments are related to processes and practices mandated by safety standards or other regulations. In these cases, we would like to make it explicit when an argument branch is addressing certain clauses of a safety standard. This would allow us to ensure that all requirements, clauses, or parts of a certain safety standard are addressed in the safety case. FASTEN supports both creating models of safety standards as well as linking these models to safety case entities. Let us create a model of the ISO 26262 safety standard. We instantiate a new bibliography root node and inside, we add new entities with type standard. For a standard, FASTEN allows to define the basic data like the bib key, the title, year, and a set of clauses which are relevant for the current project. Each clause can have a short description about its content. In the inspector window, we can attach to each bibliography entry one or more files, e.g. the safety standards or related documents. Let us add a reference to a file which is located relative to the current solution. Once the path is set, we can open the file or navigate to the directory where it is located. Let us add also a new bibliography root node, which contains an index of papers relevant for the argument branch. We can add bib entries, papers, or technical reports and set their bib key, title, and so on. In the inspector window, we can add links to existing documents. Once bibliography entries are defined, we are ready to link them to safety case entities. This is done with the help of the standard ref attribute attached to an entity. Each entity can reference several parts of a standard or parts of different standards. With paper ref, we can reference one of the newly added papers from our bibliography. Once the linking is done, we have the information saved in the model. We can now configure the goal structure diagram to display these references to the standards. To do this, we need to add an annotation provider to the goal structure in the inspector window. The annotation of entities will be based on the attribute standard ref, which makes the reference to the bibliography entries. By selecting a bibliography entry, we can search where it is used in the model. We will find the assurance case entities where it is linked. Having these links explicit in the model is the base to make the case that a product is compliant to certain standard by ensuring that all relevant standard parts are addressed in the safety case. Thank you for watching. See you at the next episode.